Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a craft for the letter V. We are going to make a vase. You can start out with a piece of paper, any color you would like. I'm going to choose a yellow one and I'm going to cut it like this. After making the letter V cutout, we are going to add the water inside the vase. To make the water, we are going to need some blue cardboard. We're going to cut it like this and put some waves on the top. Now we're going to use some green paper to make some stems and leaves. Then we can choose paper in whichever color you like. We're going to take a little square and fold it like this. After we fold it, we're going to cut it in a rounded shape. And this is how we make a flower. Now that we have all the pieces we need, we can start assembling our vase. We're going to start out by gluing the water. And then on the outside of the water, we're going to glue the letter V cutout. After adding the letter V cutout, which is the vase, we are going to add the green strips, which are the stems. After adding the stems, we're going to add the flowers on the top of each stem. You can be creative and use whichever colors you want to. And then we're going to add these little circles that are going to be the center of the flowers. Once we're done with that, we can add the leaves. Finally, we can use a black marker or a pencil to write the word vase, V-A-S-E. Then we can practice writing the letter V at the bottom. I'm going to write a capital V and then a small v. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with me. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!